It is sexy, but they need to fucking change the sound and need more torque and power and all that shit.
Bro, yours is ugly, man.
Really? How?
Yeah, look at mine.
Where is yours, bro? Like, I'm nowhere near you.
Bro, mine is sexy.
See?
Come here,
No.
come here, come here, come here. Park, park. Bro, look at mine, look at his. His is ugly. Yo, guys, tell me in the comment whose car is better. Like, his is
Bro,
ugly,
I
bro.
don't know, bro.
Even the color is like
Nah.
bought from fucking wish.com, bro. That's the color we're like sticking
Because
at from eBay.
my shit's not metallic.
Huh?
My shit's not metallic. It's not metallic.
Why is it not metallic, bro? Why
It's
did you do
standard.
that? Standard. Ah, bro, standard
Yeah.
people.
Alrighty.
Yeah, bro. Oh, bro. You are too pro, fam.
Hmm?
You are too pro for this game, man.
Yeah, blood.
And yeah.
Alright, I'll use it. I'll use it.
Yeah,
It is better, actually.
yeah, look at this guy, dude. Look, look. He can't let go of his gas. Yo, I'm Spider-Man. Okay.
Spider-Man.
Shoot. I'm gonna go FPP this time. No, fuck FPP. Why is it so ugly, bro? CarX, add some steering wheel customization, man. What the fuck is this? Slow and you're about to lose torque. Just stay
I know.
on the
I just
handbrake.
click it quickly. OG,
Yo.
you smacked me, blood.
Yeah, you were. It was good, and then yeah.
Oh, really?
It turned on so good though.
Bro, it's always the shitty ones on my screen.
Yeah, cause you're a GA. What?
We're leaving. No, man.
Bro, I know I can't like tandem properly today.
Why?
Cause like your car is ugly. I don't wanna get close to it.
Bro.
That's why it's not definitely. It's definitely not the speed
Bro, them
issue.
rims you have, bro, those are foul, bro. Those look ugly.
What the fuck are they sexy, fam?
Bro, they're not sexy.
Yours is like NPC rims. Like everyone had those. You're an NPC, fam.
Nah, bro, this one's badass.
Watch this. Skills.
That would have been kind
Yo,
of nice.
it been nice. What you mean? Okay, let's move.
Where's that fucking place?
NPC, bro.
No, this car feels way better. Damn! That looks good. Was I recording? No!
You never recording, G. You always miss a good
Bro, that was a sick transition, bro. It's not even funny. God damn, OG, that shit looks good.
I got it though, mind you.
Damn, bro, my... Ooh! Ooh, look at me.
Look at me.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? See, man, big man. Don't spin. Ah.
What happened?
You were about to spin.
Yeah, bro, you saw me catch that.
Yeah. Okay, go for the flip. Try to land it with a 360. Don't go too fast so you land on the road. Okay. First attempt 360 at the night flip. This player lands perfect and that noob goes to the wood.
Yeah, but I flipped on the road.
It's good. Okay. Go in, go out.
Oh my god.
Yeah, don't forget the 360 at the end. Oh, I can't see shit. Yeah, man, I can't see shit. Bro, you have headlights, man. I have no shit.
Yeah, okay, no, it's day.
Okay, they getting there. Thanks God. But don't forget the 360. Slow down for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, close. That's there. But
Double.
double,
Double.
triple, and some
Mine look,
off-road
mine
on
look kind of good.
purpose. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, mine look kind of good, bro.
Hmm.
I don't know how
I
yours
didn't see it
yours look.
anyway, so you know what I'm saying. How the fuck I'm going wider and faster?
You are right.
Okay.